Yeah. So let's start for today's session. Build your brand and grow your audience. So I'm Sonish Dedia, the co-founder at IFA Now, and I have been into this industry for almost 20 years now, having practiced on the product side and the advisory side both. So my journey with IFA Now started as a distributor. Then I took up an RI license, and then later on, I joined full time with IFA Now to help scale up the complete technology and the practice and help the fraternity, to scale up the things and get the right kind of technology in place. So earlier we have been always been known for the technology for the IFAs, where we have built technologies for multi-asset reporting, the financial planning piece, the transaction piece. Then later on we came up with RI solutions such as subscriptions, then risk profiling, document vault. So the whole idea was to keep on building up a lot of these tools for a very decent practice management that would help our fraternity to scale up their business and grow their business. This story about the new platform which we are today going to introduce came up during the pandemic, where suddenly the whole lockdown scenario came up. And during this lockdown there was a lot of this chaos in the markets between the advisors and the users, that are the investors, where they were really, the investors, specifically the fraternity, were very scared. A lot of people were losing their jobs. There was pay cuts. There was completely blind spot whether what would happen in the markets in future, whether I should stay put with my investments or exit from my investments. So there were a lot of these chaos in the market, a lot of questions unanswered. And we noticed that there are a lot of these investors who are part of various forums, personal finance forums, and they were posting a lot of these queries. They were asking for a lot of these questions about what to do next, and how they can manage these things. And many a times we also found that these investors are also looking for advisors. But there was the gap that we identified was there was no one place for us as a fraternity to come out and show our strength about our expertise and help these investors to sail through these tough times. So that is where the whole idea of the social network came across, and we started building on that front from the March. And today we are launching this IFA Now social network, which is India's first personal finance social network. And the whole idea here was to get all the users at one place. They could meet the experts, all the experts all over India. We all have a lot of knowledge. We have a lot of expertise in various streams on personal finance front. But we don't have a single identity where we can be found for these investors easily and they can approach us. So this is whole idea about how this personal finance social network came into, and we tried to work on that. And we have come up with this portal called as ifnow.com. I'll be surely demonstrating you that platform. But the whole science behind that, or the whole idea behind that, was that a lot of time these users, they are looking out for experts maybe only for few queries. They don't want to maybe buy something. So they are not being addressed by the fraternity or the experts, or even as an investors they are scared to go to someone to approach for these queries. So a lot of time these queries get unanswered. The right kind of queries don't get answered. And also on the expert side, like the advisor side, a lot of times these advisors, they are doing so much of work. They are doing so much of social media campaigning. They are doing so much of IAP campaigns, investor awareness programs and all. But getting users is the most difficult part. So here we thought that let's combine both of them. Let us bring them to one platform, and let us make sure that there is a serious business exchange happening for both of them. So I'll start with my presentation, where I'll share with you the screen. I hope everybody is able to share the screen, see the screen. Yeah. So as a investor, the investor will try to get all the traffic on this website called as ifnow.com, where on this page you can see there are three sections. One is find your expert, ask an expert, and expert insights. So the whole idea behind this is that this website portrays an investor or an user that, we as an industry, we as a fraternity have come together, and we are here to resolve your problems. And if there are any questions, you can, ask us, you can reach out to us, and we can address those things. And if you want to even purchase anything, you can ask, you can go come for a second opinion. If you want an advice on something, you can ask us. So you can just do these things by following these three steps, which is finding an expert, a right kind of expert which you're looking for, setting up a consultation call with him, and you say goodbye to your all financial worries, and you get those resolved. So the initial phase right now, what we started doing is that, on this section of find an expert, we have started to reach out to the advisors, the experts, what we call on this platform. We have started to reach out them, and we have started getting their profiles onboarded. So around the first lot of advisors that we planned in the first phase was around 250 advisors, which we have bought in. And now, as an advisor, what are the things that you can do on this platform? So right now, if I'm an expert, the user can come and search me on the front of a location. So if suppose I want to search the advisors who are in Mumbai, I want to search someone who is in Bangalore, I want to search someone who is in Guwahati. So I can just search the advisor to my nearest vicinity. I can search through names. If I'm aware about someone, I can search through names, and I can find them. So that is one way. You can, as an investor, I can search through the expertise, which I can highlight that what kind of expertise the advisors must have, and I'm looking for some health insurance person who can guide me. I can look as per the service expertise, looking at some investment advisory, some wealth management or financial planning kind of a advisor, or it could be as per the years of experience. So this is where the users can come and find you, and they can contact you. So as an advisor or as an expert, I need to come and sign up here. So I can just come in to the here on this page, and I need to sign up as an expert. So once I sign up as an expert, uh, the system so the system will ask me a few credentials, such as the full name, the email ID, mobile number, and my ARN or an RI number. Once I do that, then I'll be able to create an account. So I accept my terms and conditions, and I create an account. Once I create an account, I'll be taken to a section which I'll sign up right now. So if I have already have a login credential, I'll be able to sign up here. So I'm just signing up here and going into the system. So just try to understand that the whole fraternity is coming together on this platform. And the we as an advisor or as a fraternity, we are doing so many things, on the tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities. We are doing so many things, such as IIPs campaigns, we are doing social media campaigns. But the issue is that how the most difficult part that we are try to face every time is that how do we get users on the board, right? So we do so many good things which are not reaching out to users. So on this system, once you sign up, you will be able to build your profile. So the first section is that this is the section which is called as engage and grow, where there is a these are the subsections where we can start with the profile section, where in this profile section you can just come and edit your profile if you have just signed up. And you need to follow these 6 steps, where you need to just put in your key info. You can put in your key contact details. So I have just mentioned about myself, my photograph, my social media, my profile photo, my cover photo. So I've mentioned all those things here. I have mentioned my contact details here. So all the contact details about my office, about my working timings, from what time I work, which days I work. Then about my expertise, whether which products or which services do I offer. So I can just check, uncheck on those, whether I'm into family office, I'm into income tax. So I can just select those. I can select on the client profiles, what kind of clients I address. I can select on the product expertise. I'm good in mutual funds. I'm good in maybe equities. I'm good in derivatives. I can just select those and save it. Then I need to select if I'm planning to charge a fees or not. So the whole idea was, when this pandemic was happening, there's a lot of these users were trying to reach out to these advisors whom they wanted to connect. And at that point of time, that could be a really good social cause, where you could just help them initially without charging a fee, and later on, if he's really getting along with you and he finds your advice really fruitful, and he may want to contact and give you business further. So here you can just say that, no, I'll be charging a fee, I'll not be charging a fee for the consultations. Then what kind of fee structures do you follow? You follow commission based, fixed fees, or variable fees. You can highlight them. You can mention about your certifications. You are a CFP, you have done NISM certifications, you have certain licenses like ARN license, or you have a RI license, or you have a research analyst license. So you can mention those. You can add your educational profile, such as you're a graduate, you're a postgraduate, you have done certain further educations. You can mention those, and you can also mention about your experience, where you have been working with few companies in the past. So you can mention all those companies where you have gotten experience here. Once you do that, your profile just gets listed here with all the credentials. Now the whole idea is that you need to build very concrete and very good credentials by putting on all these profile and have a complete profile completeness attracts more number of users. When they come to your profile, they may see that what are the credentials you have, what is your bio, what kind of expertise you have, where is your office, what is a certification, the license that you carry. So once they see that, they feel really the trust in them. And Also, when we are onboarding, we are going to certify, and we are going to verify these advisors, and then list them. So they get kind of a feeling of a trust and security that, okay, whoever are on this board, or whoever are being listed here, these are the experts who can help me. So here you will be able to see that whatever profile that I have built is being seen here, and I'll be able to add it here. One more section that you'll be also able to do is, if you have your existing customers, you can subscribe to our IFNO platform and onboard your customers here, and from there you will be able to also get reviews and ratings from your existing customers. Like, this is the review and rating that I have got it from two of my customers. So this is how even your customers can review and rate you, since they are existing users. And there is a rating, which we have a matrix where there is a rating that comes out, and even the users feel that, okay, this is a rated, and he has a lot of these reviews and ratings, and he feels to be really trustworthy, and I may want to contact him. So that is one phase where you can add those things. Then there is a phase where there is yeah, you can have the notifications in place. So the system, so in the system, what happens is that you can do, the second thing is that you can post questions. So here I've just posted a question that, what are expectations on the personal finance front from the budget 2021. So you have just posted a query, and there is a big round of conversation that can start from here. You can follow some advisors, you can follow users from here, if there are conversations happening on the system. And there are some questions that are being answered on the system, so that can be answered. So you can see those questions and answers from here. So once I go to ifnow.com, once I go to ifnow.com, the user will be able to look for the advisor. So once he looks for an advisor, for example, he is looking for an advisor, which is Sonesh. He goes to the Sonesh's profile, and he can see that, okay, Sonesh has 34 followers. He's following 8 people. This is the info that he has. So he'll be able to see this with all the reviews and ratings. The second thing is that he'll also be able to see how many questions he has answered, how many questions he has asked, all those things. So that happens in Ask an Expert segment, where we have built this kind of a conversational network, where the users and the advisors, the experts, can come and post. They can ask questions, they can answer the questions. So this is where a lot of conversations can happen. Now you can see that there is a lot of these conversations happening. Like, I just posted this kind of conversation on the budget, and now people can start, the users can come, the experts can come and start answering. So there are already users on the platform. Since the day we launched, we have tried to push this, and we have got around more than 150 users on the platform. And also there are experts around 250 who are listed, and many of the users are already have started the conversations here. So here you can see that this is the advisor, who is Suraj Jitwani, and you can see there is a check mark here that this profile is verified, and he's an expert. So he's an expert, as we have marked here as a checklist. So he's an expert. This is the profile that he has built, and these are his credentials, and he's built in all. And once this is done, we can also check that he has answered how many questions. So these are the questions that he has asked, or maybe he has answered some questions. So there's a lot of these conversations that you can look for it. And there are a lot of these advisors who have actively started conversations. Like this is Shreyan Shah, again an advisor, who has put in a comment, who has put in a query, and I have commented just now on this. So once I come on this website, I if I want to comment, or if I want to like, or if I want to share, I need to sign up. So I need to sign up as an user, and I need to sign up as an expert. So if I sign up as an user, then I need to just create my profile here. So I'll come to that later on. So once I'm on Ask an Expert, you can see there are a lot of these conversations happening, and on a real time basis. And these conversations, they are continuously being liked, they are being commented, they're being shared. You can follow, like as an user you can follow, you can also tag someone, you can post things. So this is the second thing that you can do. So the first is that you list yourself, create your profile, all build your credentials and everything, so that a user or an investor is able to find you, and he's able to build trust on the credentials that you post. The second thing is then Ask an Expert section, where these users, if they have personal finance queries, they'll come and ask you. So they may not want to, always come and meet some advisors and take a consultation, because this is not the normally the practice which has been there in our industry, where as a doctor, they know that I can go to a doctor and pay him. I can do only a consultation. Maybe I may not operate further. I may not take medicines, but I can go and consult. So here in our industry, this was something which is, we should take up as a fraternity together, where they find us on this page as a power together, as one kind of a fraternity together. And we come together and start addressing their issues. At the initial phase, they may just ask questions and get it addressed, but later on, when they start interacting, they find confidence and they may want to come here. So once they come onto this page, once we get the traffic on this page through various campaigns that we do, so we started doing a lot of campaigns, we have started building a lot of content, pushing a lot of content. So what kind of content that we are trying to build, and what kind of activities that we are trying to do, is that we are meeting up these advisors, and we are also building their 1 minute videos on their some expertise that they have, or they want to speak about one topic on personal finance. We have started shooting videos and capturing those videos, or podcasts, you can say. We have added podcast, where we'll be broadcasting those podcasts in various forums and various social media campaigns and email campaigns that we'll be doing. And we'll be posting this content of the user stories. Like for example, we just recently recorded one advisor, one expert on our platform, where it was a podcast of 20 minutes, and that advisor shared about the user story, or the experience about her journey with one of the customer, which was a unique thing that happened. So we will be generating this lot of content from our advisor fraternity, and we'll be posting it. I remember one incident that happened on TikTok, where this particular was small child. He was very good in dance, and he just recorded his video and posted it on TikTok, and he became an overnight star. So this is how there's a lot of these good things that we as a fraternity are doing in the industry. And we are doing it in tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, tier 4 cities also. But that complete material, all the things, good things that we are doing, we are not able to showcase it. We are not able to take it to the end users in the right format, because obviously there are various reasons, there are various challenges in that front, where social media campaigning has to be done. It costs a lot. Then there are getting the users is not so easy. We do a lot of campaigns, but we have seen that IAPs and all, the getting the users on board is the most difficult part. So we thought that we as a fraternity come together, and have this content ready, and we together have this large network and so much powerful content and so much meaningful data and experiences together, and we take it out to the people at large and do it together. So that becomes a really powerful agenda, and that gives us the power of unity, and that the trust that we want to build in the users, for coming to us, and getting so let's through the system, let us prove that we are one. And on this system, we want to we take up the trust, and that you can come to us, and you can start consulting us on those fronts. So going forward, so these are the conversations that you have already started. You can just see that there's one user, Ajay, who has posted a query, and there are some comments on this. There's some likes. So these are a lot of these comments and likes and all happening here. So these are the users who have been started doing this. There's this is Suraj Jatwani again. posting something. So a lot of these exchanges are happening. And on the third front, these experts insights. Now this in case of experts, so we as a fraternity are also writing a lot of material. So we are writing a lot of blogs, articles. We are also pushing on a lot of, we are making a lot of videos, podcasts. So what we started, we intend to do that, we get all these good publishing material. So this is a publishing platform. You can use it as a publishing platform to post your all your articles. Soon we will be coming up with videos where you'll be able to record the videos and you will be able to post it here, and also podcast as a medium which will be able to post it here. So here, a lot of these advisors have started posting the trending, the building asset wealth management. So we are trying to tag it on the kind of categories here on the taxation part, loans, insurance, those articles. And you'll see that the articles get posted here. You can do it on your own. And you see that the featured authors come up where 28 articles have been written by Saurabh. Shreyans has written 12 articles. That way, so and forth by Pratibha 20, Rohit has written 31. The most read articles, you can see there are 64 views, there are 57 views, there are 23 views for this article. So once you write these articles, they get published, and you can we will be trying to reach out this all complete articles to the fraternity at large. So in this case, so these are the three things that you'll be able to do: build your profile, you'll be able to answer questions, or maybe post some thoughts or maybe questions on your friend. And on the expert insights, you'll be able to post your publishing material on the article front, and later on the videos and podcast. So once you sign up, you'll be able to do this from here, where you can see that if there is any notification after the building the profile, if there is any notification that comes you, it will come to you through email, where someone start following you, someone has liked you, someone has liked your comments, or someone has started viewed your profile. So all these, you'll get intimation that there are users who are coming up and looking out for you, and maybe they're reading or they are looking out at your profile. So these are the conversations that happen. The reviews and rating part, which I told you, you can get it from here. So this is the dashboard where you can see that you can get the reviews and ratings through a campaign. So if you sign up with IFA now, you can just request a review from the existing customers, where if you have the list of customers on our system, you can just post them. You can send at large to all of them, and send it to them at bulk. And once they get it, they have a questionnaire which they need to answer, and you get a review rating here. So this is how you can get review ratings from the customers. You can reply to them from here. Then there is a calls section, where now, for example, if I come to the system as a user and as an investor, and I find out, okay, there's some advisor who is nearby me in Mumbai, and I want to contact him. I just check his profile. I just see, what is his credentials, what is his expertise, and I feel that I want to contact him. I will be able to schedule a call with him from here directly. So these are my appointment schedules, where I have already notified that I'll be doing this consultation call between Monday to Friday, between 10 a.m. to 6 a.m. in a slot of half an hour, 1 hour, whatever you want to decide. And then the user will be able to select a date. So for example, I select a date here. I just say that I want to connect at 12 o'clock, and I need to confirm that. So as a user, even if I come and do it on the website, I'll have to sign up. So if I have not signed up, then it will not allow me to do that. So I will have to create a sign up, where you will get, as a system, you will get the lead, where the email ID and the mobile number and everything can be feeded here, and this comes as a lead to you. If I already am an existing user, I can just put in my login through a Google or log in through a mobile number, and I can post that I want to confirm an appointment with you. Once you do that, what happens in the system is, yeah. So what happens in the system is the calls get booked here. So there are previous calls that have happened here. So in this case, you can see that these are the various calls that have been booked, where the complete email ID and the mobile number has been booked. Now you as an advisor can come and view that whether this particular person, what is his name, and he is put in some description on what kind of conversation does he want to have. So he'll maybe, I've written a hi here, but he may write that I want to ask about a tax query, I want to have a estate planning query. And then later on, once you have this call, you can just once you have a call, you can just put in your notes here that I had a good call with him, uh, and you can save this, and this complete conversation can be recorded, and you can just have those conversations maintained here. So there's one of the user who's asked regarding home loan. So this is something that you want to contact with. Once you do this, you can you have the option that you don't want to meet or you want to cancel a call. You can just cancel the calls from here, and you may ask the user to again realign a call at a later date if you are there's appointment that is not available at that point of time, or you have come up with some emergency. You can cancel the call and also realign that. Once these calls are set up, you have a conversation call and all those things happen. These convert into a lead, so you can mention that, okay, I had a good call with them, and this becomes a lead where you have also explained him about further your expertise on your products, or maybe your on your financial planning front, whatever practice you're doing. And this becomes a lead where you can just accept, and you can just have this conversation further, and a good serious business exchange happens. So the whole idea for this platform is that how do we have a good serious business exchange between the users who are looking out for us. And in this way, experts will also find a lot of value in this, where a lot of business exchange happens. They'll be able to find customers through us, and they'll be able to build their brand and grow their audience. So that's the whole concept behind this complete platform. And this is how the whole expert can onboard himself. Now coming back to the user side, I'll just log out from here. So if I'm a user and if I come to the system, so if I want to just so if I am on ifanow.com, and if I am a user and I want to just post a question, so I just say that, okay, I want to post a question, or I want to comment here. So once I want to comment here, and I just want to send this, I need to sign up. So once I sign up, then I'll be only able to like, comment, or post a query. So here what I do is typically I just log in as a user. So I am a user right now. I want to sign in. I have already signed in through my mobile. So I can sign it through an OTP. So I've got an OTP on my mobile number as an investor, as a user. I just submit it, and now I have logged in. Now when I log in or create a profile here, I log into my own login profile, where now this is the user, the investor. He is following 4 of them. There are followers that he has is 1, and these are the complete the conversation that happen are visible here. Now I can just go and like it. I can share this to someone on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp. I can copy this link and directly go and post it. I can follow someone. That is what I can do from here. So I can follow here. So this is how the whole complete conversation can happen. You will have a login. We have a mobile app on this front where you can also do it through a mobile app. And then the second thing is that he'll be able to post a question. So here, this is the question that I posted. I can like it. I can comment on it. I can share it as a user. Then these are my answers. Like, I have asked some questions, like this one query was posted by Shayan Shah as an expert, and I have asked him that how what so he's posted a question that it's about stock market investing, and I asked him further that what is a better way to invest in stock markets. Then these are the notifications that I get. Someone has started following me. So as a user, I myself can get all these notifications here in this front, and this is my profile. So as a user, as an investor, I can build my profile. I can go and edit it. I can just mention these things, bio and all about me, and I can fix this. So this is how the whole user journey happens in this case. So what are we trying to do in this case? I'll show you a few things that we are trying to promote. So the whole question comes at how are we trying to get the users, and how are we trying to get the experts. So on the case of expert front, we are reaching out to the experts through this webinar. We have also reached out to our existing customers on IFA Now, and we have tried to build a profile, and we are trying to list them here. The second thing that we are doing is also that we are posting a lot of content on the IFA Now page for LinkedIn, Facebook. So I'll show you a few Facebook and pages and the Twitter accounts. So if you go to Twitter accounts, we have already started working on the content part to get the users on board. So advisors, we are reaching out and we're getting them on board, but on the users front, we are trying to reach out to them through a lot of good content. So if you find on the LinkedIn page, you'll see that we are trying to post this lot of this content for which is being created by us, which is also being created by existing users in this case. So you'll see that recently we posted this, that there are some questions that have been answered, and the answers has been done by the question has been answered by the financial expert Hemant Kumar, and that is how you get, and we are trying to get these users to our system. This is again the recent one that we posted on this some practices that can make and break your financial journey. So we are trying to post these contents and getting it to the users, posting it to the users on various social media channels. Then we are preparing these kind of personal finance memes, which we will be posting. So you also as an expert, you can start sharing these on your pages and reach out to the users in your pages. So what we're doing is internally we are reaching out, we are doing a lot of the social media campaigns, paid campaigns, to get the organic flow on the system, so that users come and start sharing this. So that is how we are doing this. So this is something which we did on the Christmas front, where one of our one of the expert called as Pratibha Girish, she had written an article on EPF, and that is where we promoted. So we are promoting the complete content of what Pratibha had reached and written, and we are posting it to users where they can come and read it that way. So that is how these contents are getting posted and reiterated. Similarly, on the Facebook front, you can find that there's a page for IFA Now, and on the page of IFA Now, you can see that there's a lot of these content getting posted. On the Twitter front, we have a Twitter handle on IFA Now, where you'll be able to also see that a lot of tweets are happening. So this is how we're trying to build this content from the fraternity and taking it at large together to the users, to tell them that we are one, and we are one powerful kind of a fraternity, where you can come and get the right kind of advice, right kind of expertise is there with us. And you can this is where the serious business exchange happens through this. So this is how this content and all are being promoted on the various channels. We have started doing this aggressively, and we have started getting that traction, where you can see that these users have been started coming to the page, and they have started interacting. So I'll just show you a few of the interactions on this page, where I have logged in as an so once I have logged in as an user right now, so you'll see that these are the conversations that are happening. Nagesh has commented on this particular query of a user. Similarly, Nagesh has answered for this. Again, Nagesh has done for this particular advisor. Again, this. So Nagesh has been very active, on this front. There is Shreyans who's been active, Hemant who's been active. So experts have already started doing a lot of activities on the system. They have started to also comment, they like, share, post these things. So yeah, so this is it. I'm done from my end, and we are open to take questions if you have any. And yeah, so you can unmute yourself and ask questions. Yeah, does anybody have questions? You can unmute yourself and ask a question. Yeah.
Yeah, good morning.
Hi, good morning. Who's this?
Yeah, my name is Eldos Isaac.
Hi, Elos. How are you?
Hi. Yeah, I'm doing good. So my question is that what is the criteria for somebody to, as an advisor, to be a part of this platform?
The criteria is that you need to be a personal finance expert. That's it. So you can be an MFD, you can be an RI, you can have an experience maybe of 1, 2, 5, 10. It's a free platform at this point of time. You can just sign up as an expert. Yeah.
So there is no need for an IFA Now subscription.
No. IFA Now subscription is not mandatory.
Okay. And then how do you attract the clients? Because I think the challenge will be to attract clients. So how do we plan to do that? Yeah.
Correct. So good question, Elos. Thanks for asking this. So as I showed you that we have started. So see, these advisors now, what I have seen, there are a lot of these forums. If you have heard about Assign Ideas for Wealth, on Quora also there are a few forums where there's a lot of these interactions happen. And these are these social finance, personal finance enthusiasts, these investors or these users, they are very active, and these are also these young generations with the age group of 25 to 35, where they don't want to go to someone and immediately go and consult and pay something and do something. So they are very active on these fronts, where they are literally driven on content. If they like the content, they subscribe, and they want to read it, they want to interact this. So they are enthusiasts on the personal finance front. So what we have started doing is we are trying to promote that there is a lot of serious content that our industry is already having, and we are trying to push those content on those forums, on through social media campaigning and all those things. I know it is a challenging part, but as a advisor, as an expert in a tier 1 to tier 4 5 cities, the challenge is the same for everyone. So we thought that why not take this challenge together and come out with a output where this becomes a platform, a common platform for everybody to come out with strength, push our content to them, tell them that okay, this is something that we have, and you can come and look at this, and you can come and contact that way. So content is something that will drive this, and it will take some time. We are not saying that it will happen overnight. So this is something which will have to consistently do it for them to have trust on this. And then once they feel that okay, this is something, this is working, then they'll automatically start propagating this, and things will start coming up that way. So even a platform like Quora took almost 3 to 4 years to get to a level where the interaction started happening on an own basis that way.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Yeah. Thanks.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, Jyoti here, Jyoti Wakade from
Hi,
Mumbai.
Jyoti. Hi, Jyoti.
I am subscriber of IFA now.
Yes. Yes.
And I want to ask that if I spread this for my client or my contacts, they are watch my wall only, or all the comments from all the members, all the experts.
They'll be able to see all the experts, because when they come on to ifanow.com, then they will be able to see all the experts on this front.
Okay.
Yeah. But the content that you can push to your experts, to your people, I mean your customers, could be what content you have written. Maybe we posted here. So like what I showed you on the front of on the Christmas front, on the EPF, we pushed this content on what Pratibha had written. So we made a meaningful output for that, and we started pushing on that front. Then we recorded videos, right? So we recording videos where you're talking on those fronts. So see, the users, specifically your customers, they may like these things where you're doing these activities that way. So you can push that content, like you can get a podcast recorded, and we can send that content, we can post it here, and you can send that content to your customers. That's something that you can do.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah. Hello.
Hi.
Eldos here again.
Yeah, Eldos. Yeah.
Yeah. So you mentioned about this podcast and video.
Yeah.
So will you guys help us to edit the videos or podcasts?
Yes. Very soon, I think in 5 to 10 days, we already recorded 2 of them. Today is the third one that we are recording. So in a week's time, we're getting it edited, and once that's done, so what we'll be doing is we're planning to do two things. One is a 1 minute kind of a video, which you can talk about, and the second thing is we're doing a 20 to 30 minute podcast. So in that case, whatever podcast you get recorded, we'll be editing that, and we'll be posting and pushing it to the network. So the whole logistics and everything, we are trying to do it from our end.
Okay. Thank you.
So I've done this meeting in I've done this webinar in a meeting format. I just wanted to have a one-on-one conversation, because that webinar becomes a very blind spot to me. So if I could really have a good interactive conversation, was the whole idea by doing it in this style. So any feedbacks on that, and any feedbacks on our platform? What do you think about it? Anything that you feel that should be taken care of?
Hello.
Yeah.
हाँ ज्योति है.
Jyoti.
आई एम ट्राइंग टू गिव द आंसर्स. मीन्स मैंने एक महीने से ये मैंने ट्रैक करना चालू किया था, जैसे आपने ये इंट्रोड्यूस किया तब से. मुझे ये नोटिफिकेशंस तो आते हैं कि हु इज फॉलोइंग मी, who has given like for my answer and all that. means उसमें यूजर्स भी है और ये भी मीन्स फॉलो करने वाले यूजर्स भी हैं और एक्सपर्ट्स भी, या फिर किसी ने मेरा व्यू मतलब मेरा वॉल देखा. लेकिन अगर मुझे कोई क्लाइंट मिलता है, समझो मीन्स वहां से लीड मिलता है, तो वो एज आई एम सब्सक्राइबर ऑफ IFNO मेरे इसमें आ जाएगा, डिटेल्स में आ जाएगा.
यस 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 यस, यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, जैसा मैंने आपको वो बताया था. स्क्रीन आई जस्ट शेयर दैट विद यू. Yeah, so for example, in this case, I'll just do one kind of a activity here. So I just go to Sonesh here, okay, and I schedule a call. So now, okay, I do this for 16th, right, and 12, and I just try to confirm. I have, so I have logged in as a user right now, so it's not asking me for the credentials. I have a query on income tax, okay, and I just confirm. So this has been already posted now successfully. So I just go and log out, and I log in as an expert now. So you see that on the call front, there is one notification. Yeah. So here, see, Sonesh has come. So I'll be able to see that Sonesh has asked, I have a query on income tax. I can just maybe, mention my notes about that, that I had a good call. I can just save notes on this front and all those things. I can do it from here. So once I will be able to also cancel the call if there's some emergency that comes up in this case. And if I do the call and if the call is done, it gets added to my lead list. So that is where, once I'm done, this is the lead list I have. So you can see this is the lead list that has been added. So this becomes a lead to me. I can accept the lead, I can decline the lead. So since you have subscribed to the platform, what you can do is this: you can accept the lead if it is a good customer that you want to address further. And once you accept this lead, what will happen is it will get listed in the lead section of the system that you use for us, for ours, basically. So here what will happen is it will go and directly land into the lead section.
Okay, first it will reflect in calls, and then correct. When I accept it, it
will be in the lead section. It will be in the lead section. Yeah. So you have already accepted it. It's already there in the lead section. You accept it, and then it will come to you for further. You can build his profile. You can add him in the system. You can take his multi-asset data and all those things, and you can give him a complete look and feel of the system. That way.
Okay.
Yes. Anybody? Any questions?
Hi. Hello.
Hi. Yeah.
So can you give your contacts, email and mobile?
Yeah. Sure. I'll share it in the chat box. Yeah, I've shared my details on the chat box, the contact number and the email ID. Yes, so anyone having any query? Deepak, Harjit Singh, anyone, Sunil, Vikram. Okay, then can we call it for a day? Yeah.
This I have not received the chat actually, so.
Oh, you not received your chat. Okay, sorry. I did a direct message.
Yes, it's not in everyone.
Yeah. Sorry.
Sonesh, Vikram here.
Yes, Vikram.
Yeah, I joined little late. So
no problem.
I know the date when you're going to launch the 2.0.
Already launched.
I mean, still my planner, I'm seeing only the old version.
we are migrating everybody. There are some hiccups that we are facing on the migration front, so we are going a little bit slow. We wanted to finish it off before December, but see, there is a lot of the problem what we are facing right now is there is a lot of data on the existing system for the existing users, and the data, like it's not apple to apple here in the new system. Like there are 5 fields here and there are 25 fields here in the new one, and earlier there were like it was only a report only kind of a data, and here now we are doing a calculation on that front also, on many asset categories and all those things. So when we are just pushing that data here, there's a lot of these issues coming up where the calculations go haywire, or maybe it's not taking the right kind of calculations, and the fields are not matching to each other. So we are figuring out, but I think we have migrated most of the data, and we have started reaching out to advisors slowly. I think we have reached out to Jyoti. She has also started using the new one. Little bit of stability will happen in next 2 to 3 months, because the old and the new one, the data migration compatibility will happen, and also we are building on a lot of these new things. One on one continuously we are building new on things, which is taking some time for us to come to a state where it becomes really robust and stable that way.
And what about transactions?
Transactions is ready. Transactions you can immediately start. In fact, I have started transactions. I have started doing it.
So BSc,
NSE, both BSc, NSE,
creation
both.
of UCC and these all things.
Yes. You can create USCC if you have all the details in place. If you have created the client and his all the credentials are there, like his address, PAN, his documents and everything, you can create an USCC in 1 minute by following few steps. That way.
Even mandate creation also, there is no problem, right?
No. If you're facing anything, we are just hitting it out on one-on-one basis. We are just finishing it off.
Because there are multiple mandates options are available. The first option is from net banking and debit card e-mandate, and one more is normal mandate.
Correct.
The third mandate now it got abolished actually. That is in ISIP.
Correct. So we're trying to do our best. Please bear with us for some time.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. One suggestion. In fact, this is actually a feedback from one of my client who is using IFNO mobile app.
Okay. Sure.
Though I think everything is fine and it's user friendly and everything, but one thing that I also looked is that when you go to that Play Store and download that, you see there is a section called developer contacts. So when you see app developer contacts, no. So when there is an option to there is a contact of the developer is given is an email ID, but that email ID you have given is a Gmail ID. So that doesn't look nice because it's everybody wants to have a professional or a business ID, no. So this client is asking me because why is this planner email ID is a Gmail? So it doesn't look I believe you got the point, no? So
correct. I'll check out on that. Yeah,
so it should not be GB. It should be something at IFNO or something like that. So
correct. Got it.
Because now we are giving access to all the clients. So when the smart techie guys look into the details, what is this? Seeing a Gmail ID doesn't look nice.
थोड़ा authenticity नहीं लगता है.
Yeah, absolutely.
और actually ये शायद I got it. I mean I remember that ये हम लोग ने developer ID जो create करना था ना, हम लोग ने बहुत पहले वही use करे. I'll get it corrected. I'll look into it. Yeah. Thanks.
Okay. Thanks.
Sir, can you also create a video of IFNO 2.0?
We have already created a video.
Like previous version, you had video, demo video, and everything.
There are videos we have created. You can go to our YouTube channel. I'll show you that 1 minute. We have a lot of these videos that we have already added. These webinars are getting recorded, and we are also adding those also. So I'll just go to YouTube, and you can see IFNO channel. So I can send you links also. There's no harm in that. So IFNO. Yeah. So we have a IFNO channel where all these videos are getting uploaded. So these are IFNO full demo. IFNO is a sales tool. I fell in love with the subject matter in 2007 when I came across the certification college study. Yeah. So these are the videos that we have on this channel. You can see all these videos. Yeah. Many videos have been uploaded.
Okay.
Yeah. So I can send you the links. You can reach out to me. I can send you the links also. So all types of videos are available. Okay. Any feedback on personal finance? This ifnow.com. So the social network part.
One feedback I can give you here. When we calculate any SIP or whatever goal.
On personal finance, the social network I'm asking.
Okay, social finance.
Yeah. So this webinar is specifically for the personal finance network. Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah,
it looks nice, but don't know how it exactly works. So अभी तक थोड़ा सा confusion हमें भी है, लेकिन मार्केट प्लेस एज अ मार्केट प्लेस वो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मीन्स मैं पिछले 1 महीने से मैं देख रही हूँ, सिर्फ देख रही हूँ. 1-2 आंसर्स किए मैंने, कोई फॉलो कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा खुद पे कॉन्फिडेंस आके फिर ये करने के लिए थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा इसके लिए. बट इट लुक्स नाइस.
Thank you so much. In fact, see, it's like a chicken and egg story. Users आएंगे जब experts होंगे, experts आएंगे जब users होंगे. तो हम लोग वो ट्राई करने का, सॉल्व करने का ट्राई कर रहे हैं. We are trying to get into that. And I think we as an industry together, we have a lot of good content. So I am sure that will drive these users, and they'll surely come and they take this seriously.
Thank you very much.
Thanks. Okay. All right, so we can call it off for the day. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. Bye.